For coming back from a shoulder separation a year ago and only losing 4 steps, Mike Brennan gets the Square Toe Award.
Thank you. Thank you very much. 4 steps and 4 feet that I lost, correct.
And we also decided that eventually some of us are going to revert to one hand. So we may, but Mike avoided the one hand status as the elder for another week.
I will look that up. I'll look that up, the rules.
To go one hand? We've never had someone go from 2 hand to 1 hand.
Mike, how long have you been playing?
The way I feel today, about 25 years. But realistically, we're talking 20 years probably.
Remember, we used to play till 1 o'clock.
22 years probably, actually. This is a freshman in high school.
Freshman in high school.
Yeah, which is, I'm not sure which age, and I don't know how old I am now, so.
Well,
it's tough. X plus Y does not equal.
Aren't you 28 right now?
I am 27. I'll be 28 September 30th.